Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Omega Oluwatosin, and on the channel today I'll be showing you how to install the pocket on your kimono jacket. And if this is your first time of stopping by, please support me by subscribing to my channel. The width of the pocket is going to be 7 inches and the length 14 inches. Come in 4 inches like you see me doing, and slantly into the side seam of the pocket 7 inches. Yes, you can either leave your pocket curve or you leave it in a block shape or square shape, rectangle shape. That's just it. Now I'm just going to connect my mark point, the 4 inches to the 7 inches. Yes, that's the opening of the pocket where your hand will pass into. So this is what you should have at the end of the day. The next thing I'm going to show you is how to place the pocket on your kimono dress or maxi dress. Now you can see the way I place this. I've already pinned one side of the pocket. I'm going to do the same on the other side. Now watch the way I'm going to place my pocket. Bring in your tape, and from the top edge of your pattern I'm going to mark 17 inches if the client is tall, and if the client is short I'm going to mark 16 inches. From the 17 inches point I'm going to mark the pocket opening, which is 6 inches. Remember when we slanted 7 inches. Now you are going to have half inches above and below the 6 inches. The next thing you want to do is to come in with your clip or your pin to put that in place before taking it to the sewing machine and stitch on an half-inch seam allowance. Yes, you heard me right, half-inch seam allowance. Please make sure you sew a back tack at the beginning and at the end of your stitch. Now that you've stitched it down, pull the seam to the pocket side, pull all your seam to the pocket side and top stitch. Please top stitch on a 1/8 inch seam allowance. 1/8 inch seam allowance, that is your 1/4 of an inch. You still divide it into 2, that is 1/8 of an inch. So once you top stitch, this will make sure that the pocket stay in place and not pull to the front in future. Now I'm just going to sew my side seam with an half-inch seam allowance. You can sew yours with ones. This is how to sew them together. You can see that the pockets are matching. So you're going to sew until you get to the pocket. You're going to sew all the way half-inch down. You leave your needle inside and turn the pocket in such a way that you are sewing on the two pair that you have, not two pair that you have. You continue stitching to conceal the openings, and make sure you stitch twice. Sometimes the pocket tends to open. Stitch twice to secure your belongings. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just going in to sew my pocket. Please, if you have any question, leave it in the comment section. If you have any tutorial requests, leave it in the comment section. I'll be seeing them. Okay, and don't forget to follow us on all of our social media platforms. Mo Fashion Academy is located at Sabu Yaba, Lagos. Now you continue stitching until you get to the half-inch point, and you continue sewing your side seam. So that's how to sew a pocket on a kimono dress or boubou. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumb up, leave a comment. You are free to share the video. And this is what you should have at the end of the day. You can see how nice and neat the pocket is, and the opening is wide enough to accommodate a person that has a big hand. So this is how to sew a pocket. Have a nice day and bye.